Hai Aul.
Halo Cici.
What are today lesson Aul?
Chemistry, English interest, and Indonesian.
Aul, are you coughing?
Yes, I'm sorry if my cough disturb you.
No. From when you're coughing?
Less than a week ago.
Have you go to the doctor? So I take you to the doctor?
No, thank you. I have been a doctor, and the doctor gave me medicine that was very bitter.
Yes, the name is also a medicine where there is a sweet taste.
You know, a sweet medicine called syrup.
Whatever. So, I suggest that you don't eat chocolate, don't eat fried food, and don't drink ice water.
Okay, if you say so, I will do that.
Okay, get well soon, Owl.
Thank you, Cici.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.